This is the home screen of the application and mirror recent videos. So here you can see all the logos which you can use. Some of them you may need subscription to use them. As you can see here, you have this one here with the Pro subscription. The Pro icon, if I do tap on it, as you can see, it will show the subscription page. So as you can see, I can just scroll to look for what I want, or I can go at the top here and search for what I want, or I can scroll across. There will show some categories which you can look into and look for what I want. So if I want a Christmas logo, I want to make one of those, I can go ahead and make one of those. Want something for fitness, here it gives me some fitness ones as well. Just deny this here, and as you can see here, just scroll down and pretty much just look for what you want. So these are also posters, not just logos. You can get posters as well. As you can see here, quite a lot of posters here for food and so forth. And if you want to see more of pretty much anything, you just tap on see all, and you'll be able to see all the food posters that they have. So here I'm just going to select one of these. Let's say, for example, this one here, and we'll start downloading the templates.
Let's start.
And once we'll finish downloading the template, as you can see here, we'll get a voice prompt, nothing much. And as you can see here, this is the template that I've uploaded, and I can pretty much edit anything on it. As you can see here, down here, I have editing tools which you can use as well. And if I select any one of these, here you get some other editing tools like fonts, color, pretty much basic editing tools. So once I finish editing whichever you guys editing, you just tap on the save icon at the top.
Congratulations. Your poster has been saved. We are providing free post.
So once you're finished, it will pretty much be saved to your device. So at the top here, you may see account icon. This is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. And as you can see, they do only offer a weekly subscription, but you do get a 3 days free trial to test out their Pro subscription. So that's pretty much it for this app. If I miss anything at all, comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.